Hi, this is Kanu Behel. Welcome to BombayCasting.com. I think it's really important to break down the character. It's important to read between the lines. There is only as much information with what you're given with. I think on the page, on the script. I think it's really important, and it's actually the actor's job to bring out the character which usually is not in that scene. तो मुझे लगता है छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो शायद उस सीन में आपको ना बताई गई हों, कैरेक्टर क्या करता है, कहाँ से आता है, इसका बैकग्राउंड क्या हो सकता है, क्या नहीं बोल रहा है, इमोशनली क्या कहना चाह रहा है, क्या बातें बोल रहा है लेकिन क्या छुपा रहा है. आई थिंक बोथ आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. So in one word, I would say it's really important for you to read between the lines and read what the scene is trying to tell you emotionally, so that you can do the physical action of what is required in the scene. And by the physical action, I also mean dialogue. So there is something else that you're saying through your behavior, which is not the dialogue. So what is your behavior in the scene? I think that's the most key aspect that an actor should look at. Similar, I think actors need to be aware I think actors need to be aware of everything. They need to be aware of how a script is written. Acting is not just about acting. They need to have basic awareness about the camera, how things are perceived by the camera. एक basic समझ visual storytelling की, we're in the medium of cinema, which is very different from theatre. So the fact that something might be conveyed purely visually, without dialogue in a film, and actually most things should be conveyed that way. So I think an in-depth knowledge of how to convey that, how to convey yourself without words is probably the most important thing. Totally depends on the script for me. I think the script is the as they say, it's a very cliched way of saying, but it's the blueprint of whatever is coming next. So I think it totally depends on what screenplay you're handling at that point of time, and you usually try to cast around a center, एक particular center. तो डिपेंड करता है, अगर मैं कुछ ऐसी फिल्म कर रहा हूँ जिसमें कोई भी नोन फेसेस नहीं है, तो फिर मैं उसको शायद थोड़ा सा अलग से कास्ट करूँगा. या अगर वो किसी एक नोन फेस से या स्टार से एंकर हो रही है, तो उसको थोड़ा अलग से कास्ट करेंगे. इट डिपेंड्स कि आप क्या छुपाना चाहते हैं और क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं स्क्रिप्ट में. सो लेट्स से इफ आई एम trying to cast Titli with a Ranveer Shori in it, and I'm trying to make it a very real film, then I already know that I will have to hide Ranveer, and I know that since his presence is there as an actor, it's really important for people to forget that there is an actor. So a lot of the casting, will get driven around it. And if it's a different film which has more actors sort of top lining it, so to say, then the casting process slightly differs, and it'll be completely different from for something which has no known actors in it. Totally, you would probably go for charisma. You would probably go for someone who can hold the frame, who can hold their own frame, not necessarily to do with looks. I don't mean by looks, but just the power to hold your attention within a frame. And you choose a group of people who will vibe together with each other, make it feel like one congruent piece, कि ये सेम उस फिल्म की दुनिया में ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स साथ में इनहैबिट कर सकते हैं, और उन सब में इक्वली खुद में भी फ्रेम होल्डिंग पावर है. I really like Vicky Kaushal in Masan. I think he has a lot of potential. I think for him to achieve what he achieved with the first part, which didn't belong to his class, he had no previous knowledge of it. To be able to portray, to do justice to that kind of a part, which was difficult. There was not a lot of expression. I think अपने आप में बहुत credible performance थी for a first performance. I also like Bhumi a lot. I think she has, जो मैं पहले बात कर रहा था, without needing to look conventionally beautiful, or जो हमारा conventional idea है of a heroine, just her being able to have that power to grab hold of a frame and keep you she makes you want to keep looking at her, and is very charming and very convincing in the performance that she's also given. So I think that's another really exciting new talent. Immensely. I think workshops are the most important part for an actor. I think set पे जाके, because of the kind of medium we have, it is such a cost intensive medium. हम लोग usually कम time के साथ काम कर रहे होते हैं, और क्योंकि medium थोड़ा technical भी है, invariably हर फिल्म पे, चाहे वो छोटी हो या बड़ी हो, शूट के दिन पे इतनी सारी चीज़ें गड़बड़ हो रही होती हैं, then there is only that much time to explore and get to know the. So I think the maximum that you can hope to do on the day of the shooting is to get the mood right and to work at getting the mood right. But I don't think you have time to get to know the character on the shoot. All the knowing of the character inside out, कि ये बंदा है कौन, ये किस सिचुएशन में किस तरह रिएक्ट करेगा, वो सब वर्कशॉप लेवल पे परफॉर्मेंस को क्रिएट करने के लिए उसकी ज़रूरत होती है. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्पेंड दैट क्वालिटी टाइम इन गेटिंग टू नो हु यू आर प्लेइंग and live with that person, so that you know that person so well that on the day of the shoot, inhabiting that person that you have known through the workshops, you can just go ahead and be instinctive and react to a situation. So if while shooting you're thrown a new situation, your job is to know the character so well that you can immediately react and say, no, this person will do this because we went through this when we were workshopping or working with the part. So I think it's probably the most important tool for any actor.